Hey guys, welcome back to Lamilli Armory. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the CVLIFE EagleFeather rifle scope. Alright guys, so the scope's going to come shipped in this white box here. Take a look inside. So first off here, we have our ring mounts. That's what that looks like there. Also a tool that's included. Here's the rifle scope. You also get a cleaning cloth, a pair of CR2032 batteries, and then a hex tool here, and also the user's manual. So here's all the specifications. It's a 3x12. There's the objective lens, your eye relief, the length, weight, the tube diameter. And here's a diagram of the scope there, and everything included. And also mounting instructions, the eyepiece focusing adjustment, properly zeroing the rifle scope, windage and elevation adjustments. You can also reset the turret back to 0. The adjustable objective, and this has illumination adjustments. Here's your maintenance, troubleshooting, and of course your warranty. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the CVLIFE rifle scope here. So it does come with included flip-up caps. So you can remove these just by pulling them off if you choose so. I like to leave these on just to have the lens cleaned when I'm not using my rifle. As I mentioned before, this is a 3x12 magnification. So right now it's on the 3 setting. You can switch that effortlessly all the way down to 12. So this got really good adjustment here. It's very smooth. And then moving up here at the front, in the middle, you do have your windage and elevation turrets. So these do lock, so if you pop it out, you can turn them, and they are audible. And then when you're done, just pop it back in, no movement. Same thing for the elevation here. Pop them in, you hear that little click. And so now they're both stable. And you can return this to 0 if you choose so. So you just use the provided tool and then change this back to 0, pop it back in. And as I mentioned, this is illuminated, so you can have a green or the red, but it does have a black etched reticle. So if you don't want to use the illumination setting, you don't have to, but there is a plus to that. So let's go ahead and install that battery real quick. So it's easy to unscrew, just here on the side, using one of the provided batteries here. Screws on very easily. All you have to do is just turn this here. So you have 5 different illumination settings, depending on which color. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the red. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the green. So depending on whether you want this on or not, you can see there's just the regular reticle, etched reticle, and then you have the red, and I'm dimming it down here, and then there's the green, and then it's off. So you can use that option if you want. It's really cool to have. I also wanted to mention, if you remove the lens cover here, you do have the eye relief adjustment, so you can go positive or negative here just to have better focus and eye relief. And then up here at the front, remove this. You also have an adjustable objective. So depending on your target distance, so there's 5 yards, 7.5, 10, and then continuously moving all the way up. So you can have your adjustable objective up front, and then your eye relief out here in the back. Alright guys, so after taking this out to the range, I can assure you that it did run great, and it held 0, was shooting exactly where I was aiming. The illumination settings are really cool. I played with those a bit. I was able to get great eye relief and a good objective on my targets, so no worries there. And it is constructed out of aircraft grade aluminum, so you can rely on the long-term longevity of this. Alright guys, so that was the CVLIFE EagleFeather rifle scope. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.